Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox the Columbia jacket, or actually it's Columbia coat that I got lately on sale on Columbia.com. So let's get started, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to be notified when I upload. So the jacket came in the box like so. It's down coat. So let's open it. Winter down. So here is the coat. Let's take it out. Empty. Here is the Columbia stuff. And here is the coat. Model name is called Woman's Haven Long Jacket, and I got it in size X large. I don't like that it doesn't have tags already. So it looks like so. It's in color black, but my camera is for some reason that light is maybe too yellow. But coat is black. Let me show you here. Here is the tag, and it's Columbia, and it has the feature of warmth. It has omni heat. It has 650 power down, and it has a water resistant fabric, and it's in X large. And on the front it has Columbia logo, which I like. It is made from nice material that it's not so swishy, it doesn't make those swishy sound, but a little bit maybe, but not too much. Let's see. It has nice, this part is really nice sleeves. They are made, here they have fleece, as you can see, so it's really nice. And this jacket has omni heat even inside here, because I have previous omni heated jacket and this part was only on the inside of the here torso, but it doesn't extend those sleeves. And in this one, yes, you have it here too. And this part is nice and warm, so this is improvement. It looks like this, and it has here, it has adjustable, this part that you can adjust here. Here it's shiny inside, but it's warm, which is important, as some other jackets like from North Face, for example. I sell jackets that are really warm, but for example hood isn't warm, and this one is really the same warmth as rest of jacket. And what else? And it's really warm. Here it has that emblem on it, that it's 650 power down. And when we open it, it has nice zipper, by the way. It's plastic, which is good for winter because it's not cold on your skin. And also it's two-way zipper. As you can see, it has two-way zipper. And this part at the bottom is nice, and it has also adjustment like so. So it's really cool, because here this part you can make smaller or bigger. So let's try it on. This part looks like so. As you can see, it's this Omni Heat material. And also hood at the back, it has this part. You can change with that velcro, you can make it smaller or higher. So it's very cool. So I try it on.
All I would do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may.
see those sleeves was a little long, but I like it. And here in the torso it's a little wide on me, but just half size, so it's really fine for me, as normally they seems to be more tight, and I'm happy with it because I can wear bigger oversized things too. And I really like this jacket. I got it on sale, like I said, and it was some Christmas sale or something before Christmas, so there was only two of them, and I grabbed one right away. And this jacket is really hot, so, and it's really warm, so I'm happy that I've got it. So yeah, if you want on site, there are also shorter version of it, so you could buy, but I've got a longer one. And I like this shiny material here too, looks cute. I forgot maybe. And the hood looks like so. So if I zip it, hood looks like so. You can make it like so. Yeah. So yeah, if you like such videos, then don't forget thumbs up and subscribe for more, as I will do more unboxings and vlogs and other lifestyle videos. See you in the next one. Bye.